So let's see how you can set up background jobs with Indicate. So Indicate comes with pre-installed and pre-set up ingest. And with ingest, there are a number of features like we have cron jobs, fan out functions, like on user sign up, you can do multiple stuff. Now let's see how to do that in Indicate. Go to localhost colon 8288 slash stream, and if it is not working, you have to go to your terminal, create a new terminal. Here you have to run this command that is there in issue number 1 of Indicate repository. Let's do it. Here we can see it is done. Now let's restart our dev server. Now we will be able to access localhost 8288 slash stream. Here we will see that by default Indicate or Nano Banana AI is already set up, and we can start adding functions in src slash lib slash ingest slash functions. And for example, we have a hello world function which runs whenever the hello world event is fired. After creating a function, you have to import it in index.ts file as well. Your hello world function will run if and only if it is specified in the functions array. So this is how you can configure and set up background jobs. You can use ingest background jobs to create email sequences, retry mechanisms, or maybe creating AI pipelines that runs in background. For example, you can summarize the content whenever the ticket is created using code like this, and this will run in background. So you can also use AI functions like step.ai.models.openai. So using AI functions of ingest and using indicates base, you can build pretty decent applications.